And we're back with yet again another update on Caspa. First and foremost, just want to say thank you to the Caspa community for showing amazing amount of support on the yesterday's update. And not just on the yesterday's update, you guys really show amazing amount of support day in, day out. And again, if you want to see these types of updates on a regular basis on Caspa, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and of course comment down below, and your boy CryptosDX will bring out these updates for you guys. But as far as the market is concerned right now, as far as the broader market going into Wednesday morning, we are seeing a lot of excitement, and hopefully this excitement really holds, because I'm sure you guys know we've been literally seeing a complete roller coaster of a ride for the entire crypto markets over the last 2 days. So hopefully now you do see the market heading towards the upside, especially going into Friday, as we are coming across a major meeting for the entire industry. But anyhow, if you're looking at a lot of utility projects gaining quite a bit of traction, which of course is nice to see. But yet again, now hear me out very carefully, guys, yet again, you're not finding Caspa on the list. And this is something we talk about when I talk about technical analysis. If you've been watching my most recent updates on Caspa, what have I been saying? I've been saying Caspa is not showing us strength within its price. Even when the market had that fake out towards the upside, still did not see Caspa showing any sort of strength in terms of the broader market. So it's showing weakness once again. But speaking about weakness, there's a lot of people in the Caspa community that are actually happy about that, and we're actually going to elaborate a little bit more as to what I mean by that. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is currently sitting at 7.526 cents, down about 0.2% in USD, about 6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap still sitting below 2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $103 million. But what's quite interesting here is this. So I asked you guys, the community members, and again, I'm sure if you follow my channel, you guys know we do a lot of community tabs where I kind of discuss with you guys as to what you guys are thinking. It's fun to do, you just kind of have this engagement with the followers. But you can see this for yourself. I asked you guys, these last 24 hours have been completely, a roller coaster of a ride. CME gap has failed, but I still have a feeling we can retest $73,000 before bouncing. Let's see how it plays out. Not financial advice. Which coins are you buying right now? And you guys can see 1,500 votes have come in. Obviously, I gave options for XRP, Solana, HBAR, and of course, I always give the option to comment below if you think it's going to be some other coin. And the Caspa community really came through and showed the power of the community. You can see this for yourself. A lot of people voted for XRP, but as far as the comments are concerned, you'll see a lot of people mentioning Caspa. You can see this for yourself. So that really shows that people are thinking that Caspa will be will bounce. Of course, if they are going to be accumulating, they obviously expect the price of Caspa to go towards the upside. But speaking about the price itself, we spoke about how I think Caspa's price could actually go more towards the downside. I was talking about the potential of it even hitting 5 cents, and a lot of positive feedback on that, because you guys know I bring you guys unbiased updates. I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat things for no reason and say, yeah guys, Caspa is looking amazing and it's going to the moon. Absolutely not. And I know a lot of people can vouch for me on that. Your boy CryptoZX has been calling Caspa showing bearish signs since August. Yes. And reason why I say this so much is because around this time, I really want you guys to pause the video and actually go back in time and take a look at, when I was talking about Caspa showing weakness around this range. There were a lot of people, calling me crazy for, thinking Caspa is bearish. And here we are. Look where the price of Caspa is currently sitting. But anyhow, that's not what we're here for. You actually did see the price of Caspa making its way down to the likes of 6.8 cents, guys. So we lost the support where we were yesterday, and we made our way down to 6.8 cents. Of course, we do have some support around this range, but believe it or not, guys, it's not a significant amount of support. And what I mean by that is dominance is still quite high. It's showing so much strength. So let's say, Bitcoin sees a little bit of a minor shakeout, maybe making its way down to even 83K, like just 83K itself. Let's put this into perspective. That's a 5.45% move towards the downside. And you remember, when you see strength and dominance, that means a double drop most likely. Again, most likely for a lot of altcoins. So what does that mean, for Caspa from where it currently is? A 10% drop, give or take, puts the price of Cas at about 6.7 cents. So, we could actually hit this neckline once again. Obviously, we do have some support around this range, but the major support, as I've stated to you guys before, is around that 5 cents price point. Is the price of Caspa really going to make its way down there before it really starts heading towards the upside? In order for it to drop down to that significant support line, that itself is still about a 31.8% move. So if we see a complete shakeout for BTC, making it a double bottom, that target still is a realistic target to be looking out for right now. Obviously, I would love to be wrong. Hear me out. I would love to be wrong. I would love to see the price of Caspa, thriving, but you need to see it break above this key resistance and make its way up to the 13.5 cents. If it's unable to do that, I still do believe, some of these downwards targets are still in play before, some sort of, a bounce. Obviously, as far as exchange listing goes, I'm sure a lot of frustration within the community because obviously no bigger exchanges are coming in listing it. Tokenomics are great. Of course, a lot of people agreed with my take yesterday how, tokenomics is something that I really like about Caspa, because a lot of other projects don't really have good tokenomics, guys, especially projects that are new. That gain hype tokenomics look garbage on most of them, and Caspa obviously is different from that standpoint. So that is a big thumbs up that I would give Caspa right now. But so far, obviously, as far as our overall analysis goes, so far it's pretty much going as planned. Of course, if we were to see any sort of a shift in terms of bullish, well, I'll keep you guys covered, but as of now, obviously we need to keep an eye out on what the price does, and especially Bitcoin. We don't want to be ignoring Bitcoin price by any means. But let me know down below what you guys think. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.